पास्ट टेन्स माने भूतकाल। पास्ट टेन्स रो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेन्स माने अनिश्चित भूतकाल विषय जानिबा। एही कालर थिबा वाक्य गुड़िक इंग्राजी रे अनुवाद कला समय रे कर्ता सह वर्ब रो द्वितीय अवस्था बा सेकेंड फॉर्म प्रयोग करा जाय। जेमिति कि मु काली खंडे पत्र लिखिली, आई रोट ए लेटर यस्टरडे। आई रोट ए लेटर यस्टरडे। आउटेला नेगेटिव सेंटेंस माने अनंगीकार वाक्य। अनंगीकार वाक्य रे प्रत्येक कर्ता सह डिड नॉट एवं वर्ब रो प्रथम अवस्था बा फर्स्ट फॉर्म व्यवहार होय। जेमिति कि अलका निजर काम समाप्त कला नाही। अलका डिड नॉट फिनिश हर वर्क। अलका डिड नॉट फिनिश हर वर्क। आउटेला इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस माने प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य। प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य रे डिड रो प्रयोग वाक्य आरंभ रे होय एवं वर्ब रो प्रथम अवस्थार बा फर्स्ट फॉर्म व्यवहार होय। जेमिति कि तुमे पुस्तक पढ़िलनि कि? डिड यू नॉट रीड द बुक? डिड यू नॉट रीड द बुक? यहाँ को पास्ट टेंस रो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस माने अनिश्चित भूतकाल कहा जाय। तो जानिबा केतोटी सेंटेंस। शिक्षक दुष्ट बालकों को दंड देले। The teacher punished the naughty boys. The teacher punished the naughty boys. मु खंडे पत्र लिखिली, I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. झियो माने गीत गाइले, The girls sang a song. The girls sang a song. तुमे खेल खेलिल, You played a game. You played a game. से मिछ कहला नहीं, He did not tell a lie. He did not tell a lie. तुमे गत काली भ्रमण को गल कि? Did you go for a walk yesterday? Did you go for a walk yesterday? सेमाने वस्त्र धोइले नहीं, They did not wash the clothes. They did not wash the clothes. गीता फूल तलिला कि? Did Gita pluck a flower? Did Gita pluck a flower? मोहन तुमको गाली कला कि? Did Mohan abuse you? Did Mohan abuse you? से तुम विरोध रे अभियोग कले कि? Did he complain against you? Did he complain against you? काली मु ताको मारिली कि? Did I beat him yesterday? Did I beat him yesterday? से माने संतरण कले कि? Did they swim? Did they swim? संतरण माने पहरिबा। तो आमे जानिले पास्ट टेंस रो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस विषय रे। तो एबे जानिबा पास्ट टेंस रो पास्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस माने अपूर्ण भूतकाल विषय रे। साधारण वाक्य। एही कालर वाक्य रहिथिला, रहिथिली, रहिथिले इत्यादि रे समाप्त होय। एथि द्वारा जणा पड़े जे क्रियार कार्य भूतकाल माने बीती जाइथिबा समय रे प्रकट होय। यहाँ को इंग्राजी रे बदलाइबा समय रे जदि सब्जेक्ट आई, ही, सी, इट एही परि एक वचन जदि थिबा वाज रो प्रयोग होय एवं वर्ब रो प्रथम फॉर्म सहित इंग रो प्रयोग होय। अन्य पाठ सब सब्जेक्ट सहित वेयर रो प्रयोग होय एवं वर्ब रो प्रथम फॉर्म सहित इंग प्रयोग होय। जेमिति कि अलका पत्र लेखु अछि। अलका was writing a letter. अलका was writing a letter. आउटेले निषेधात्मक वाक्य। एही वाक्य रे was तथा were एवं क्रियार प्रथम फॉर्म सहित इंग लगाई क्रियार मध्य रे नॉट लगाओ। जेमिति कि राहुल पत्र लेखु नथिला। राहुल was not writing a letter. राहुल was not writing a letter. प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य। प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य रे प्रथमे was बा were एवं कर्ता माने सब्जेक्ट एवं एहार पर वर्ब रो प्रथम फॉर्म सहित इंग रो प्रयोग करा जाय। जेमिति कि कोन राहुल पत्र लेखुथिला? Was Rahul writing a letter? Was Rahul writing a letter? ଏହାକୁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନବାଚକ ବାକ୍ୟ କୁହାଯାଏ। ତାହେଲେ ଜାଣିବା ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସର ପାଷ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ଟେନ୍ସର କେତୋଟି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ। ସେ କାଲି ବଜାରକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲା। He was going to market yesterday. He was going to market yesterday. ତୁମେ ନିଜ ପିତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ କେଉଁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉଥିଲ? Where were you going with your father? Where were you going with your father? ଆମେ ଗୁଡ଼ି ଉଡ଼ାଉଥିଲୁ। We were flying kites. We were flying kites. ପକ୍ଷୀ ଉଡ଼ୁନଥିଲେ। The birds were not flying. The birds were not flying. ସେ କ'ଣ ମୋତେ ଖୋଜୁଥିଲା? Was he looking for me? Was he looking for me? ଥଣ୍ଡା ପବନ ବହୁନଥିଲା। The cold wind was not blowing. The cold wind was not blowing. ମୋର ଭାଇ ସମ୍ବାଦପତ୍ର ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲା। My brother was reading the newspaper. My brother was reading the newspaper. ରୀତା ଖେଳନା ସହିତ ଖେଳୁଥିଲା। Rita was playing with a doll. Rita was playing with a doll. କୁକୁରମାନେ ସାହି ଭିତରେ ଭୁକୁଥିଲେ। The dogs were barking in the street. The dogs were barking in the street. ବାହାରେ ଶିଳାବୃଷ୍ଟି ହେଉଥିଲା। It was hailing outside. It was hailing outside. ସୀତା ବହିଗୁଡ଼ିକ କିଣୁଥିଲା। Sita was buying books. Sita was buying books. ତୁମେ ଓ ସେମାନେ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଯାଉନଥିଲ କି? Were you and they not going for a walk? Were you and they not going for a walk? ତ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଲେ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସର ପାଷ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ଟେନ୍ସ ବିଷୟରେ। ତ ଏବେ ଜାଣିବା ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସର ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ମାନେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଭୂତକାଳ। ଏହି କାଳରେ ବାକ୍ୟର ଶେଷରେ ହୋଇଥିଲା, ହୋଇଥିଲେ, ନେଇଥିଲା ଆଦି ଶବ୍ଦ ଆସନ୍ତି। ଏଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଇଂରେଜୀରେ ଅନୁବାଦ ସମୟରେ ହେଡ୍ ସହ ଭର୍ବର ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ଫର୍ମ ଲାଗେ। ଯେମିତିକି ସେ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହିଁ ଚିଠିଟା ପଢ଼ି ସାରିଥିଲା। He had already read the letter. He had already read the letter. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ନିଷେଧାତ୍ମକ ବାକ୍ୟ। ନିଷେଧାତ୍ମକ ବାକ୍ୟ ଗୁଡ଼ିକରେ ଇଂରେଜୀର ଅନୁବାଦ ସମୟରେ ହେଡ୍ ପରେ ନଟ୍ର ପ୍ରୟୋଗ ହୁଏ। ଯେମିତିକି ମୁଁ ଗତକାଲି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଚିଠି ପାଇନଥିଲି। I had not received your letter till yesterday. I had not received your letter till yesterday. ପ୍ରଶ୍ନବାଚକ ବାକ୍ୟ। ପ୍ରଶ୍ନବାଚକ ବାକ୍ୟରେ ହେଡ୍ର ପ୍ରୟୋଗ ବାକ୍ୟର ପ୍ରାରମ୍ଭରୁ ହିଁ ହୋଇଥାଏ। ପ୍ରଥମେ ହେଡ୍ ତାପରେ କର୍ତ୍ତା ମାନେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ତାପରେ କ୍ରିୟାର ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ଫର୍ମ ଆସେ। ଯେମିତିକି ଶଶୀ ଭୋଜନ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରିପାରିଥିଲା କି? Had Shashi prepared the meals? Had Shashi prepared the meals? ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସର ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ କୁହାଯାଏ। ତ ଜାଣିବା ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସର କେତୋଟି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ। ମୁଁ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହିଁ ଚାକିରି ପାଇଁ ନିବେଦନ ପତ୍ର ପଠାଇଥିଲି। I had already applied for the job. I had already applied for the job. ମୁଁ ଅନେକ ଦିନରୁ ତାଠାରୁ କୌଣସି ପତ୍ର ପାଇନଥିଲି। I had not received any letter from him for many days. I had not received any letter from him for many days. ମୁଁ ମୋ କାମ ଶେଷ କରିଥିଲି। I had finished my work. I had finished my work. ମୋହନ ଆସିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ତୁମେ ଜଳଖିଆ ଖାଇଥିଲ କି? Had you taken your breakfast before Mohan came? Had you taken your breakfast before Mohan came? ବର୍ଷା ହେବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସେ ଆସିଥିଲା କି? Had he came before it rained? Had he came before it rained? ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟାସ୍ତ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ ସହରରେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇଥିଲୁ। We had reached the city before the sunset. We had reached the city before the sunset. ତୁମେ ୟା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଏମିତି ଦୁର୍ବ୍ୟବହାର କେବେ କରିନଥିଲ। You had never misbehaved like this before it. You had never misbehaved like this before it. ମୁଁ ଡାକବାଲା ଆସିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଚିଠି ଲେଖିଥିଲି। I had written a letter before the postman came. I had written a letter before the postman came. ମାଲି ପହଞ୍ଚିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହିଁ ପିଲାମାନେ ଫୁଲଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଛିଣ୍ଡେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। The boys had plucked the flowers before the gardener came. The boys had plucked the flowers before the gardener came. ପୁଲିସ ଆସିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହିଁ ଚୋରଟି ଚାଲିଯାଇଥିଲା। The thief had run away before the police came. The thief had run away before the police came. ବୁଢ଼ୀଟି ଡାକ୍ତର ଆସିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହିଁ ମରିଯାଇଥିଲା। The old woman had died before the doctor came. The old woman had died before the doctor came. ନିତୁ ଆସିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସେମାନେ ବହିଗୁଡ଼ିକ କିଣିଥିଲେ କି? Had they bought the books before Nitu came? Had they bought the books before Nitu came? ଏଇଠି ଥିଲା past tenseର past perfect tense ମାନେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଭୂତକାଳ। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା past tenseର past perfect continuous tense ମାନେ ସମାପକ କ୍ରମ ଭୂତ। ଏହି କାଳର ବାକ୍ୟରେ ରହୁଥିଲା, ରହୁଥିଲେ ଆଦିରେ ସମାପ୍ତ ହୋଇଥାଏ। ଏହି କାମ ହୋଇ ଆସୁଥିବ ଦିଆ ହୋଇଥାଏ। ଏଥିରେ କ୍ରିୟାର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଭୂତକାଳରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇ ଭୂତକାଳରେ ହିଁ ଶେଷ ହୋଇଥାଏ। ଇଂରେଜୀରେ ଅନୁବାଦ ସମୟରେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ସହ had been ଏବଂ ଭର୍ବର ପ୍ରଥମ ଫର୍ମ ସହିତ ଇଂ ଏବଂ ସମୟ ସୂଚକ for sinceର ପ୍ରୟୋଗ ହୋଇଥାଏ। ଯେପରି ଯେ ସକାଳୁ ବହି ପଢ଼ି ଆସୁଥିଲା। Jay had been reading the book since morning. Jay had been reading the book since morning. ଗୋଟେ ନିଷେଧାତ୍ମକ ବାକ୍ୟ। ନିଷେଧାତ୍ମକ ବାକ୍ୟରେ had ଓ been ମଧ୍ୟରେ not ଲଗାଯାଏ। ଯେମିତିକି ରାମ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରୁ ବହି ପଢ଼ି ଆସୁନଥିଲା। Ram had not been reading the book since evening. Ram had not been reading the book since evening. ଆଉ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନବାଚକ ବାକ୍ୟରେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପୂର୍ବରୁ hadର ପ୍ରୟୋଗ ହୋଇଥାଏ। ଯେମିତିକି ଚାଷୀଟି କ'ଣ ବୁଧବାର ଠାରୁ ତା ଜମିରେ ଚାଷ କରି ଆସିଥିଲା କି? Had the farmer been plowing his field since Wednesday? Had the farmer been plowing his field since Wednesday? ତ ଜାଣିବା past perfect continuous tenseର କେତୋଟି ଆଉ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ। ସେ 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ହେଲା ଲେଖି ଆସୁଥିଲା। He had been writing for 2 hours. He had been writing for 2 hours. ସେ କ'ଣ 3ଟା ଠାରୁ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରି ଆସୁଥିଲା? Had he been waiting for me since 3 o'clock? Had he been waiting for me since 3 o'clock? ମୁଁ ଏହି ଦୋକାନକୁ ଗତ 4 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ଦୌଡ଼ି ଆସୁଥିଲି। I had been running this shop for the last 4 years. I had been running this shop for the last 4 years. ସେ କ'ଣ ଏହି ସ୍କୁଲରେ 2 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ପଢ଼ି ଆସୁଥିଲା? Had he been reading in this school for 2 years? Had he been reading in this school for 2 years? ସେ ସକାଳରୁ ନିଜ ବହିକୁ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ପଢ଼ି ଆସୁନଥିଲା। He had not been revising his book since morning. He had not been revising his book since morning. ମୁଁ 1960ରୁ ଏହି ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଯାଇ ଆସୁଥିଲି। I had been running this school since 1960. I had been running this school since 1960. ରାମ ସକାଳୁ ଖେଳି ଆସୁଥିଲା. Ram had been playing since morning. Ram had been playing since morning. ସୀତା 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ସ୍ୱେଟର ବୁଣି ଆସୁଥିଲା. Sita had been knitting a sweater for 2 hours. Sita had been knitting a sweater for 2 hours. এই ভিডিଓରେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଲେ past tenseର past indefinite tense ମାନେ ଅନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭୂତକାଳ ଆଉ past continuous tense ମାନେ ଅପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭୂତକାଳ, past perfect tense ମାନେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଭୂତକାଳ ଓ past perfect continuous tense ମାନେ ସମାପକ କ୍ରମ ଭୂତକାଳ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା future tense ମାନେ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ କାଳ ବିଷୟରେ। Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe.